Number one question. Listen carefully along. Why is it that Africa Christians are so mindful of Christianity? Why the white men that brought Christianity to Africa has no time for Christianity? Example, America, Europeans, Britain, some of them does not go to church on Sunday. And so many churches are closed down. Why some has been converted to Muslim or mosque, yeah. So why is it that Africa are so mindful of Christianity and things they brought it to slave? Okay, sorry. I'm thinking they brought it to slave us. So what?
My sister, we Christians know what is happening. The truth is that Christianity, maybe Europe and Britain and the United Kingdom, they brought Christianity to us in Nigeria, some different part of Africa. But right now, when you go to that place, even many of them know to go to church on Sunday. Many of them, and some cathedrals have converted to mosques, is truth. So, and the people are saying that white people came to Africa, they use that Bible to come and slave us, to use it to tie our blend. And when them that gave us the Christianity, they are not practicing Christianity. They don't have time for church. Now, as a Christian, if we will read the Bible, Matthew chapter 24, verse 12, the Bible says that
wait,
in the last day.
Which page?
Okay, Matthew chapter 24, verse 12. You may not read it because of time. I may say what is in there. So, the Bible says that iniquity shall abound the earth, and the love of many shall wax cold. Now, let me tell you, there was a time in America.
What will be the iniquity now? Tradition be iniquity.
Okay, no. Iniquity is sin. That is iniquity. I'm not where I'm going. Iniquity is sin. As sin, iniquity. Bible said that iniquity shall abound the earth. The love of many shall wax cold. Now, those people that you are seeing in America, and United Kingdom, they don't have time to go to church. There are some churches have been converted to mosques. This thing is what Bible says, that iniquity shall abound the earth, and the love of many shall wax cold. So their love has waxed cold. And finally, when you read the Bible, 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 3, the Bible says that before the man of sin will come, that is Antichrist, there will be a falling away. Before the Antichrist will come on this earth, there will be a falling away. So this thing that you are seeing in London, they give us Christianity. Some churches have been converted to mosques. They are not helping to God. There was a time in United Kingdom, Christianity, they are serving God more than as they do in Nigeria now. You hear me?
Yeah.
There was a time in America, they serve God well as we in Nigeria they do. They serve God well, even in America, even in United Kingdom. But right now, their love has waxed cold. And the second, that falling away that Bible is talking about have happened. So what happened in all those things is falling away. The Bible said about is a falling away, and that is why they are starting now speaking against Christianity. Okay.
You said
I can hear you speak.
You said before the Americans and the rest country I mentioned before, they first worship God, pastors, Abi. So when they come make them worship God now, why?
You said?
So you said Americans before, they first worship God past us, right?
Before, yes.
So what it come make them stop when they're not going to worship God? Because
that
people they want
yes, that is what Bible says, that iniquity shall abound the earth, and love of many shall wax cold. And the Bible says that there will be a falling away. In 2 Thessalonians chapter 2, verse 3, there will be a falling away. That is a falling away. So when that falling away will happen, after that falling away, the man of sin, which is Antichrist, will take over the earth, because we are living in the last day. Everybody knows all these things that you are seeing happen in different parts of the world, coronavirus, lockdown, earthquake, tsunami, all these signs. This is a sign of the end time, that we are in the last day. So all these things that you are seeing is a sign of the last day. Now, you know, Turkey is a Christian country before, but right now, nothing. That is the falling away that the Bible is talking about. That is the falling away. That is the falling away. The Bible has said it. That is the falling away. It is happening for many countries. They have no time to go to church. That is falling away. Yes.